6-pepper pasta. I'm gonna start cooking some onions and garlic. I've got a skillet with a little oil and a little butter in. I'll stir these and start them cooking. This dish is based on a chicken tequila pasta dish that I've made for years. It's pretty much exactly the same, except I'm leaving out the chicken. Okay, the onions and garlic are starting to cook. So I'll go ahead and add in the peppers. I've got 2 colors of regular bell pepper, orange and red. They look like a sunset. And then some poblano peppers. I just sliced them lengthwise. I've also got a jalapeno. I sliced it into strips. I made sure to get rid of most of the seeds and membranes so it wouldn't be overwhelmingly spicy. And then some mini peppers. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to the peppers, and I'll stir these around. I'm gonna cook the peppers until they get deeper in color, and then I'll move on with the next few steps. So I'll give the onions and peppers about 4 minutes, take them out, put the pan back on, turn off the heat, and add half a cup of tequila and stir it, scraping the pan. Then I'll turn the heat back on and cook it for a minute. Meanwhile, I'll put a pound of fettuccine into boiling salted water and get back to the sauce, adding 2 cups of vegetable stock, which I'll let reduce for 4 minutes. Okay, the liquid has been bubbling away and it's reduced by about half, so I'm gonna turn the heat down and I'm gonna add some cream. And by some, I mean a cup. This is a really delicious, creamy pasta. Now, I'm not sure if you were counting, but earlier I sauteed 5 of the 6 peppers. The 6th pepper is chipotle. And I'm gonna add a couple of tablespoons of the adobo sauce from a can of chipotle peppers. I'm gonna sprinkle in a little more salt and pepper, and I'm gonna cook this until it's thickened about 3 minutes. Everything is ready. Look at this sauce. It's just silky and thick, scrumptious. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is get the pasta and put it in the pan. It should be perfectly cooked by now. Any pasta works. Fettuccine is really perfect because the peppers are all long and skinny, and this plate of pretty peppers, that's a nice little tongue twister. Just goes right on top. And I'll use tongs to toss all of this around. I mean, this is my idea of a good time right here. I've got some cilantro, and I'll sprinkle it over the top, and I'll sprinkle on these pepper rings. There we go, 6-pepper pasta.